Most people leave $5, $10, or even $20,000 on the table when they trade in their luxury car. They think the dealer is just lowballing them. But the truth, they just don't know the rules of the game. Today, I'm going to give you the unfair advantage. I'm going to break down the 6 specific points that we use at Grand Touring Automotive's Oakville that will instantly boost your trade-in value. Stick around because point 4 is a hidden cashback secret that almost everyone misses. I'm Albert, super luxury brand specialist here at Grand Touring Automotive's Oakville. And every day, I deal with the rarest cars on the planet. When you're moving from one masterpiece to another, the trade-in is a very critical part of the deal. If you do it right, it's a seamless transition. If you do it wrong, it's a massive loss. Let's get into it. At this level, a car without a history is a car with a mystery. First things first, you will need a dealer-only service record. Pro tip, keep your original bill of sale as well, and a full option list. Reason for that is, a standard VIN decoder isn't perfect. They often miss bespoke details, rare interior finishes, or upgraded audio. Your bill of sale also improves invisible value like engine immobilizers, dash cams, or even tracking systems like tag. If I don't see it on paper, I can't give you the proper credit for it. I know you love your aftermarket rims and even exhaust too. But as a dealership, the dealership has to spend money to return the car back to its original standard. If you have the original parts, put them back on, or at least have them in the trunk. Stock cars sell way faster and for more money because they appeal to a wider range of collectors. Check your original bill of sale for what we call an appearance package or other protective packages. Many manufacturers provide what we call a protection package to cover small things like cracked windshield, small dents, rim rashes, or even lost keys. Use all that before you bring the car to us for an appraisal. If I see rim rashes, dents, or other impurities, we will have to deduct the repair cost from your value. If you can get it fixed for free under your plan first, that's pure profit in your pocket. Don't give away your warranty. This is the hidden money. If you have an extended warranty or a prepaid service package, or what we call a wear package back at Howdy, that includes the brakes and brake pads, don't just hand it over to the dealer. These are often prorated. Before you trade in the car, call the provider and see if you can cancel it for a refund check. Or use the package before the trade-in appraisal so the dealers can see that you've already got, let's say, new brakes put into it. And that value to bring it up to standard will not be deducted from your trade-in value. If the dealer isn't giving you full value for that remaining coverage, just get your money back from the source. In Ontario, you get a 13% HST credit on top of your trade-in value. If a private buyer offers you $5,000 more than the dealer does, you actually lose money. On a $200,000 trade, that tax credit is worth over $26,000. Always do the math on the tax-in price before you decide to sell it privately. First impressions are absolutely everything. An appraiser decides the value in pretty much the first 30 seconds when seeing your car. Don't just wash the car. Clean the engine bay, the wheel wall, and inside out, and make sure there isn't any dog hair or what we call dampness in the car. And please, no heavy air fresheners. A luxury car should smell like high-grade leather and nothing else. If it smells like a forced air freshener, we will all wonder what you're trying to hide. Used car prices always fluctuate. The best thing that you can do is to ask us, what is the showroom missing? If winter months are approaching, SUVs might be needed greatly, and if spring is near, maybe sports cars or cabriolets are more in demand. If you have what we need, we will pay to get it. If you're ready to level up your collection, come see me at Grand Touring Automobiles, Oakville. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insider looks of the world of the super luxury. I'll see you folks in the next video.